Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to try on this beautiful braided wig. If you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So this is the wig before I cut the lace net. And then guys, I have a tutorial on how to make this wig, so if you're interested, just check the description box down below on a detailed video on how to make it. It's a very easy wig to make, a beginner friendly wig. Especially if you've never made a wig, you can start with this one. The one that I shared with you, it has a baby hair. So the difference is just that this one, the one that I'm trying today, doesn't have baby hair, but the one that I shared on my tutorial, it has baby hair. So guys, I'll put a small clip at the end of this video on how to make the wig, but if you want to watch a detailed video, just check the description box down below. So it is a very simple wig to make, easy to make, a beginner friendly style. If you want the wig to look more natural, apply the foundation or concealer on the lace just to make it blend well with their complexion. So in this video, I won't apply the foundation on the lace, but when you watch the tutorial, you'll see how I applied the foundation to make it blend well with my complexion. So guys, just comment down below if you love this style, if you love this wig, and also if you've tried any of my tutorials. So again, just apply the foundation on the lace to make it look more natural. The reason why I decided to share this wig is because it doesn't have baby hair, and also most of my clients love my wigs without baby hair because they say they can't manage the baby hair. That's why I decided to try it. You'll notice that the lace at the back. So what you do, just cut it when you get the wig. Just cut the extra lace that you see, you know, so that someone can't tell it's a wig. Sometimes, especially if it's a small size wig, I don't always try them on. I always just make and send them. So if you receive and then you see some lace on the sides, just cut. Use scissors to cut the extra net.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
And as well, put this hair in a bun like this.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
So for you to add the baby hair, you just have to crochet the baby hair on the hairline. I'm just cutting the extra lace net that you was noticing at the back. So if you see the extra net, just use scissors to cut it. So again guys, I'm just going to share with you a small clip at the end of this video, but again, if you want to watch a detailed tutorial, just check the description box down below, and also comment down below if you love it with baby hair or without baby hair. So for this style, I always use a 360 lace wig, and then I also have a tutorial on how to make these braids. So I always just pin the braids on my lace net or my cap, and then I sew the braids on the net. So just comment down below if you learned something from this video or you're learning something from this video. And if you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I will make it for you. Okay guys, thank you so much and see you in my next video.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. We'll go. dame toda la noche. No nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en